NMTUI.
Just enter. Just enter.
Oh, okay.
This is actually before CLI. Sorry, no, before GUI. After CLI, this is came.
Okay.
After the CLI, menu based, they would like to make it out. They made this, but nobody uses nowadays.
Yeah, in my olden days, I remember like this we used to.
This is about menu based thing, which is very boring. People doesn't like it at all, but still it is available.
Okay, yeah.
Linux, nothing has been like thrown out or something. They'll keep on, like keep the things like people may be requiring. They will
Yeah,
utilize.
in case it required, then see, this will be very helpful for a people who doesn't know much command, and in the case your system is not able to give this thing. What is that? GUI kind of thing because of driver or certain thing, or you are not having a console, proper console, then you can connect with this and help. Correct?
Right. Edited connection. Wired to an internet. Edit. It's coming.
Yeah.
Very boring, but actually we have to use only the tab key for to go between the selections. Wired to. Don't delete. Okay, yeah. Now I can go for editing, but this connection is very dangerous. Use it wisely. Yeah. 125. So we can come back to the yes.
NMTUI. Okay. Basically menu base.
Waste and whatever we made it on NMTUI and GUI, we can check it out on the NMCLI connection show from here. NMCLI con show. We can try.
NMCLI.
CONN.
CON.
Double N. Space show. Here it will show all the profiles for us. It will show that. So. No, that is not a that is not a command.
Sorry, CONN also is working. CON is also working.
There is a shortcut.
Yeah. So this is NMCLI.
This you can have it.
Okay. So last, even I have not worked much on this. What was the last? HTTP server.
Yeah. We didn't see this, but we need to see this one.
Yeah.
HTTP is nothing but a web server we talk about normally.
Yeah. So that is, I think it's opened here. Yeah, it is opened here.
So web server component will get installed when we are installing with that httpd command. Okay. httpd means it's a hypertext transform protocol daemon. Daemon means it's a service.
Daemon is a service, yes.
Okay. It is not inbuilt with Linux. We may have to install it separately. So once we install that, the necessary RPM and other packages, dependencies, library files, all will get installed. Then we'll have to activate that HTTP server. Then we should be modifying the home page for us. And if you're very good enough in doing the HTML coding and all, you can do a lot of things. Also, we'll do it like very minimal thing. Then we'll check it out in the outside of that, activating the firewall port for that, so that the server can be contacted from outside, like that, because it's required, and that particular port need to get opened on Linux firewall. So the Linux firewall will allow the incoming connections toward the HTTP to this web server, like that.
Okay.
So very basic things. So once we do this, then we'll go for FTP, like that. One by one services we can try on.
Okay.
So first we can verify whether HTTPD is installed or not. RPM space minus QA space HTTPD enter. 0. Nothing is there. It's not installed. Q is querying. No. grep. No, it is not there at all.
Not there at all, no?
Queuing, querying, and all things like all files, everything that's related to HTTP. So we have to install this HTTP. So we can go with the command yum install, yum space install. Space means it's not literally space.
Yeah. Yum install HTTPD. Sorry. This is.
So now it will be contacting the centralized repository to install this particular package from the Rocky Linux. Rocky Linux repository is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait a second. What all packages are installed? Wait. What all packages are installing? It's showing that httpd, and the architecture is 64-bit. Version is 2.543. That is installed. Upstream, that is coming under the upstream. Only 47K is the HTTP server. You see that? Very simple. Okay. Then all the dependencies are getting installed. API, API, HTTPD core, file system, tools, logos, Rocky logos, nothing. Weak dependencies, OpenSSL, HTTPD2, Lua, something like that. So we may not be knowing all these things, but we require that HTTPD should be installed in our system. So we are going ahead with this. Total download size is 2 MB.
It is 2 MB.
Install size will be 5 MB. Yeah, 2 MB downloads. It will do 2 MB. Everything it will be. If you add up all this 47, 123, and everything, it may be coming around 2 MB.
Okay.
All the files are there. No size. You can see that on the right hand side. Hello.
So I will install. So altogether.
Yes,
so installing weak depend. So difference between what is this installing the main components HTTP D, installing dependency also I know. What is this weak dependency?
That is for some other modules and other things. That HTTPD2 is OpenSSL is those are all installed. May require or may not require like that, but that is also getting installed. Necessary dependencies are shown in first. May be required. Some dependencies are shown in second. You can say yes to that. It will get installed. So 11 packages. It's down.
It is downloaded. Now it is asking.
Okay. Now it is asking for the key to get installed. We'll say yes. Enter. Installing.
Running place.
Verifying. Complete. So nowadays HTTPD has been installed in your server. We can check it out again. The same command. No, RPM. You can check it.
Okay.
That is
RPM
space minus QA. HTTPD. Enter. Number of files will be shown. Yeah, it's there. This is the files it is showing. QC, you can try that. Configuration file will show. RPM minus QC. HTTPD. These two configurations are installed. etc, HTTPD, conf modules, like that. So necessary components installed and HTTPD is running. I can just say that. We need to go to the directory to see all the files. cd space /etc /HTTPD. You can see that. Yeah, HTTPD. Enter. ls. Yeah, these are all things that are conf.d, conf modules.d, logs, modules, run and state. All the logs related to the web server will be kept here. That is the logs.
Okay.
So you can get into that conf.d. One by one you can go inside and see what all the files are there. cd conf, enter.
Conf is also there.
This is httpd.conf. You can see this file but not edit anything. Okay. Nano space httpd.conf. Enter.
The main HTTP server configuration file contains the configuration directory. It gives the server instance. No file. Consider online doc. We have been one. Do not begin with. So this file I cannot edit, sir. I can edit, no? Server, root server.
Actually, no need to edit anything here because it's all default. We are going to run it. It's actually listening the port number 80.
80 only, yeah.
Port number 80 and the document root and everything has been set up.
If I say that I want to make it 8080, then
we can do that. Why not? But currently it's not required for us.
Huh?
Currently it's not required. No need to edit this.
How to delete?
Backspace.
It's very easy actually.
Nano is easy.
VA
is what hard.
Yeah.
Scroll down and see all the the sections of this file.
Oh my goodness. Where?
Use your arrow key down on. Don't go up. Down arrow.
This is server root. Top of the directory tree under which the server configuration error log files are kept is etc, http. All these things are there. Then listen to the port. Here I can say give the IP address of this host server also, correct? And then the port.
Yes, yes, yes.
Dynamic shared object DSO subject to event further the module which is built on a DSO. User is Apache, group is also Apache. Sorry.
To run the service. Server admin, your address, where problems with the server should be. Lesser sound.
Yeah. Not server admin. Oh, okay. Server admin is the root at localhost.
Where www.html, there our document will be there. All home page and other pages, everything will be kept on that directory.
Document root. So here if I put some document and if I want a web server to access, it can.
Yes, by default it will look for this directory.
Okay. The directory of
server name / deepak.html. That deepak.html will be inside this directory.
Inside the HTML directory, correct?
Yes.
Var www HTML.
In the browser, if you are searching for deepak.com / deepak.html, so the deepak.html will be in this directory. It will show the content of that file to us.
Okay. Relax access. Directory is var www. Allow override none. Relax.
Require all granted. Means everyone can see it.
Here I can deny.
Yes, why not?
I can deny and then I can say this some of the user or the group are allowed, then only.
That we'll have to give username and password to access the file and all like that. We can make that is a security activation.
Correct. That is the allow open access. The thing is there. Required all grant.
Yes. Complete access for everyone. Means only document they can access. That's all.
So web server security is must nowadays. People are hacking in left and right, na?
No, that comes under the firewalling.
Yeah. Again, apart from firewall, so web server may also we can do, correct?
No, this is a basic one like HTTPD, Apache. We are using that. Tomcat people will be using nowadays. Nginx has been used as a web server.
Nginx is the new web server, correct?
Yeah, Nginx is very widely used. That's a free again. So it depends on the applications, people started using that. This is very basic one. We need to know this.
Our company, current company, everything is open only. Open source. Okay, open source, yeah. Everybody, people running complete business with open source only. Nothing to require with the copyright, licensing, nothing required. Do the hardening as and when required, that's it. That if you employ the people who are good at hardening, that's enough. Allow override none, option index follow sim link. Require all grant. Control who can get stuff from this server. Directory index. Set the file that Apache will serve if a directory is required. That is if module directory index is index.html. So this is the index.html is the thing, correct? This index.html I can modify here, correct?
We will do that later. That we are just checking the configuration only. Now we are going to edit the index.html for us.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very huge file. It takes a lot of time to understand.
But
again, people gone very far away from this one. This is a basic one they are saying it. Basic itself is this much. Think about Nginx. Think about Tomcat servers.
in our company also there is.
Yeah, it depends on applications and all.
Yeah. Now most of the application there. So here it is log level is 1. Is that error log?
Yeah.
Control the number of message logged on the server.
Warning.
Huh?
There are levels. This is a debug in information, notice, warning, critical alert, and emergency. It's somewhere in between. Warning.
Only for warning, huh?
Until warning has been activated, you can make it debug. Debug means it will be through so much of errors will be there. You need to go and you need to go and verify what all the things are happening on the server.
Okay, so what about this error or critical?
Critical, emergency, these are all very heavy level. It's a level number is a log level numbers 0 to 7 it will come. 7 will be debug.
Oh, okay.
0 will be emergency. 1 is alert. 2 is critical. 3 is error. 4 is warning. 5 is notice. 6 is info. 7 is debug.
7 is debug.
Yeah, debug means it will be like near about 700, 800 lines will come. Error logs will be like. And if you minimize the log level, then logs will be like 1 liner, 2 liner will be coming. That we need to activate what level we are looking for. Like very critical servers and all like that, we will give complete logging.
Okay.
It depends, like we'll have to decide. And the log format has been given here. Our time, something like that, it goes on.
So we can do a log rotate for this also because this will be a huge log.
Yes. But this has to be done separately. It doesn't come under the syslog because we have a logs directory only for this HTTP server.
So this log format is that %h, %i, %u, %t. What is this?
Timing hour and length, something it goes on.
Okay.
User agent, something like that it comes.
ठीक है. Custom log
access log combined.
Script alias. What is this? The control which we directly control server scripts. Aliases are essentially the same as aliases except that the document target directory are treated as applications and run by the server when requested rather than as documents sent to the client. The same rules about trading that is applied to the script alias. Directory based alias. So this is what var www.sig-bin.
CGI bin. This is for script. If you like to run it in that, then we can go with that.
Okay. CGI bin. Change to whatever your script alias CGI directory exists if you have that configured. Type. Add type application X compress. Any type. Okay, zzip.zzip.tz. This compression thing also you have told us, correct? Yeah. Okay. Oh, so many things are there, sir. This.
Yeah, just go through that. See, these are error documents are there. You see that 404, 500, 402.
404 comes, no? Okay, okay. Missing HTML 404. Okay, the errors will say, no?
404 not found. Can do that.
Server made a boo-boo. Error 500.
Yeah.
Even send file.
That's it. Control X. Control X. No. N. N for not saving. That's it. So this is the
Nano is good. Then I can use Nano for everything, correct? Rather than VI and
possible, but Nano doesn't have much shortcuts and all.
Correct.
But programmers like only VI.
Old timers say we are using that VI, no?
Oh, not old time. now it is also it's VA only used Nano and all. People who could not understand that shortcuts and all, like they use it like a Nano. It's like normal notepad, Windows based.
Okay.
That's why it's ease of use. So we are using the Nano. Otherwise, no.
Okay.
Okay. So now the package is installed. We have to start the service. Okay.
So system
CTL.
Start
httpd. Enter. Started. Then we'll have to enable it also. Okay. PD enter. Now it is same.
It is running on the port 80.
Apache HTTPD server. Third line is active running. 7:10:23 2044. Just 8 seconds ago it started.
Yeah.
Saying started, listening on port 80. See. And you can see the last 3 lines. Yeah, last 3 lines you can see starting Apache server, started Apache server, server configured, listening on port number 80. So it is perfectly running, server is running.
Okay.
We have to enable the service also.
-F.
Tell -F what?
Var log messages.
Okay. That's it. Not grep and all, not required. Leave it. Okay. Listening on port 80.
Correct.
Show a lot of things. Started, starting, everything it shows.
So service is started. We have installed the package. We have started the service. Now, should we modify a file?
Yeah, we have to edit the index page. We have to go to that directory, cd space. cd space slash var slash www.
Correct.
HTML. Enter.
What all are there, sir?
HTML. A lot of things will do that. CJ bin HTML. CD HTML. Here no files are there. We need to make it.
Nothing is there, huh? Dot.
Hidden files are there. Hidden files. Okay, do you know HTML coding?
No.
Okay, no problem. Come to the Windows and go to the. I'll tell you the site. You just go there. You can just learn. It's a simple. Open the Firefox or something. Yeah. W3 schools HTML. Type it.
Huh?
W3 school HTML. It is already there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. HTML tutorial. Click on that. First link. This is HTML tutorial. Okay. Try it yourself. So we will be entering like this. Doc type is HTML. Then head, then title, head, body. This is training. This is heading. Some other will do. Simple to learn, but we have to do a lot of things because it is a scripting again.
Correct.
On the left hand side, you have a selection: introduction, editors, basic, elements, attributes. Left hand side panel is there. No? We'll have all the section wise. It has been given how to write the code. Colors, CSS,
emoji, symbols, layout.
So many things you can do. Semantics, responsive layout, head to file. No, I'm not good in scripting and all, but you can just see one by one. Click on editors, left hand side. Open Notepad and like this. I like this. So you can do this. This is the coding. You can try for. Better not to copy paste. You will type it. You will see. Otherwise, I'll give you some basic things. Go to the putty, please. Putty.
Yes. I want to. Where is that here? Yesterday I was doing something. So here I can copy and take the file, na?
Yeah, possible. But why do we require? We have SSH running, so it's very easy to copy. If you like to do it from the Oracle VM to inside outside, then you require this. Otherwise, you don't require.
Okay. Let's go to putty.
So nano space index.html.
Nano space index index.html.
We will go for the coding now. You can use the less than symbol. No, I'll tell you. No, I'll tell you that. Very simple will do. Then you can try all these things to do some fancy. HTML greater than, enter, less than H1 greater than, enter. This is my first page I written in something like that. Whatever you want, you can write it. That is going to get displayed. In Rocky Linux.
ROCKY Rocky
Linux. Linux. Okay. Web page. Web server. Okay. That's it?
Yes.
Okay. Enter. So we are doing very basic and minimal things. So slash H1 I can do. Closing the header. Slash H1 greater than, enter. Then again less than, slash HTML.
So this slash is for closing, huh?
Yeah, closing means we are closing the document like that. Maybe the section we are closing it like. So it's a one-liner will be shown when we are accessing this web server from the outside. This one line, this is my page in Rocky Linux web server, something like that. It will be showing in a bold letters. Okay, because it is a header. Header. That's why we given H1. Now we can save and come out. Control X.
Control X.
Y. Yes. Y for saving. Enter for with the same name. Now we can verify the file cat index.html. Now the file is shown with the raw format, okay?
Yes.
But we need to see this as a good original HTML file, because the HTML file will be showing like this with all the marker things and scripting syntax and other things. You can try the curl command, that is a command URL here itself. curl, you can type it.
curl
means command URL. http colon slash localhost host, enter. Now it's showing, page is showing, right? We are accessing the localhost on port number 80, that is HTTP, right?
What is this curl? What you said?
Command URL.
Command URL. Okay.
You don't require the browser for to verify the pages. You can check it in CLI itself. That is curl, command URL.
Okay.
Here there is no much syntaxes for your HTML coding, so it is showing something, somehow you can manage it. But if it is a heavy pages and all, you will go mad, because it will show all the what is that, machine language like that. It will show. You cannot see the content properly. This is for verifying whether it is working or not working, like that. That's it.
Okay.
Now what we can do, one thing, we just go back to the virtual box inside console. Rocky Linux. Go inside.
Go to the person.
Next one.
Huh?
The next one, VM. You need to get inside the VM.
Oh yeah.
and open the Firefox inside. Click again. You may have to log in. Click inside. Yeah. Maybe click inside and enter.
This is all because of my laptop thing.
That's sharing. You may have to change.
Sharing.
Yes. Change the sharing. Share only the VM box.
We forgot it. VM box, Rocky Linux. Okay. Are you able to see?
Yes, I can see that.
Yeah, see, now it is.
Login, please. Yes. Enter and start your Firefox. Click activities, then Firefox will be appearing.
Yeah.
Simple.
Yeah, but this is
Rocky. Rocky is very much rocky. It is taking this much time.
This is my laptop.
Okay, you can open a new tab, please.
Yeah.
Go to the new tab. http://localhost. Localhost. Enter. Join. Beautiful. This is my page in Rocky Linux Web Server. Got it?
Yes.
Because of we are verifying this page in the browser, we are seeing only the content, not the coding.
Yeah.
But we see the coding in CURL because it is a command URL. It doesn't know how to interpret it. It will show the full file to us.
Yes, that's why correct. It was showing the header and on this thing.
Now we are going to verify one thing. You may have to share, changing the sharing again. Go to the normal entire sharing something.
I'll change the sharing.
Yeah, entire desktop sharing like that. You can move. Yeah, yes. Minimize this.
Yes.
And check your IP address. What is the IP address we have for this Rocky? IPA. Okay, we can try 125. Start the Firefox from the Windows 10 or 11. Windows 10, huh? Okay.
Windows 10.
Go there and yeah. Yes.
http://
192.168.1.1.25. Enter. Going. Let's wait.
Firewall we are not allowed, na?
That's what I would like to tell you. Okay. Anyway, let it come. Like throw an error. Let's see. So we verified connection timeout because of that firewall is not open. We are verifying it from the outside.
Correct. Now we are verifying from outside.
Earlier inside the Rocky Linux it was showing that because it is a local host.
It is a local host. Yes.
Yeah. So let's go back to the putty session. First we will see the firewall, what all things are allowed. Firewall minus CMD. no space. Wait, you're running very fast. Firewall minus AMD space.
CMD
Space hyphen list hyphen all. No space.
list
Hyphen all. ALL enter. Now just see the column of services only.
Yeah, cockpit,
The
DHCP,
cockpit,
client, and SSH.
HTTP is not there, so we need to add HTTP now. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we'll add that firewall minus CMD. We can type the command.
This command earlier, sir, you have told to me.
You added the last rich rules and other things, no?
Yeah, correct.
You did everything on firewall, but after 2 weeks you forget that.
Oh my
Okay, you need
goodness.
to go back again to the chapters. No problem. I'll tell you how to do that. Now HTTP adding firewall minus CMD minus yeah, add minus service equal service equal, not server, service
SCRVICE service equal
HTTP equal symbol HTTP. Is it equal or minus?
sir, equal it is HTTP or HTTPD.
No, HTTP only. Add minus service equal HTTP. Enter.
Add minus service service equal HTTP.
Yes, enter. Success.
So
Now check the
so easy,
list,
yeah, this time.
list all
Okay.
command. List all command.
Yeah.
HTTP. Now let's go back to the Firefox browser.
1 second. Wow. Linux is interesting, but
But what?
lot of commands.
Only commands, not lot of commands.
Only commands, correct, sir? Yes. Oh, this anyway, it's so now I come here.
Refresh. It's okay. That's it. That's it. We are accessing our web server from the outside.
Outside, yes.
But I cannot access it because you require a public IP for that. Okay.
Yes.
And you require a domain name and other thing. We are not registered with any ISPs. It's a local server running, so you can access from within your PCs. That's possible.
This is like my home network, no?
Like
the
that.
same LAN actually.
Yeah, right.
And if I have to remove, then what I should say? Delete, huh?
Delete service.
DELET. Add.
Maybe remove service.
Correct.
List all will be not showing HTTP now. And if you refresh the Firefox, it will show the error. Searching very far.
Yeah,
It doesn't going to get
440.
443 will not show like because we did not configure anything like that. It will show like cannot get this server similar. That's it. Timeout.
Yes.
So now you can stop the recording. Then we'll go to the next chapter. Okay.
Will stop the recording?
Yes, yes.